up guys, it's Courtney from Homebrew, Ohio, and today we're walking and talking our way through the different types of beer to make you sound like a beer god of knowledge. There was no way we were going to get every single type of beer in this video, but we have done our best to break them down into the major categories that they fall into and what makes each category special. Beers are put in categories based on a ton of different factors. Basically, there are two different types of beers, ales and lagers. So, what's the difference? Yeast in ales are top fermenting, which means they'll work their magic at around 60 to 75 degrees, whereas yeast in lagers are bottom fermenting, which means that they'll do their thing at around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, because America. So, two types of beer, right? Well, kind of. There are also categories within ales and lagers. Let's start with ales. Ales have more esters. They're going to be light-bodied and crisp. Ales can be broken down into blonde ale, pale ale, hefeweizen, India pale ales, red ales, porters, and stouts. Blonde ales are straw to medium blonde in color and have moderate bitterness and maltiness. They are close relatives of the traditional mass-market lagers. Pale ales are golden to amber in color. They are brewed with pale malt and have moderate strength. India pale ales, also known as IPAs, have lots of hops. There are three main styles of IPAs: American, English, and the double, also known as the Imperial. Hefeweizen is an unfiltered German wheat beer, which gives the beer a hazy or cloudy appearance. Red ales originated in Europe, and surprise, they're red. They use specially roasted malts that help give the beer a sweet flavor. Porters are brewed with malted barley and can have notes of chocolate or coffee. They are generally less bitter than stouts. Stouts are generally very dark in color and usually quite bitter. Okay, so that's the ales. Now let's talk about the lagers. Lagers are usually fuller bodied and have a little bit more of a malty taste. There are three main categories of lagers: pale lagers, dark lagers, and bocks. Dark lagers range in color, usually from amber to a dark reddish brown. Pale lagers are very pale to golden colored beers. This is the most popular type of beer consumed in the world today. Bocks are lagers that spend extra time in cold storage to smooth out some of the more intense flavors. They are dark amber in color and usually have a very high level of maltiness and low level of hoppiness. So in between the two categories of beers, ales and lagers, there are also two smaller categories called specialty beers and ambers. Specialty beers are beers that have some type of new flavor added to a classic style. Fruits, herbs, spices, hot peppers, honey, maple syrup are all examples of things that might be added to specialty beers. Ambers have a medium to high malt character and are brewed using roasted crystal malts. They are full-bodied and usually have a hint of caramel. Another thing that you may hear is beers based on the amount of alcohol they contain. For example, a double, triple, quad, or imperial are all styles of beer with a very high alcohol content. You may also hear the term session, which means that it has a lower alcohol content than normal. So that's pretty much the main types of beer. Obviously, within each category, you could divide them into a million more subcategories, but this is a good start. So, did you learn anything? Or did you already know everything there is to know about beer? We know. Your life is so great, Brad. All jokes aside, we hope that the next time you crack open a cold one, you can enjoy your beer with a little more brain and claim your fame in the beer naming game. And now that I'm done rhyming, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite type of beer? Drop it in the comments below. You can also join our brew crew by getting involved in our Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Let's go.